All right, we're back for our next unboxing. And what we have here is a nice, pretty box. And what do we got? Fuel tank testing gauge.
Man, they stamped that a bunch.
Yeah, they did. Another inspecting stamp. I really wanted to make sure you knew what this was. It says first. We'll see. All right, here we go. It's almost too easy. Suspect. That's why it was too easy. Can we get it?
Oh, baby.
Look at that. Honey. And we have our usual nice little nest. Some good reads.
Jeez.
They really packed it in there good. Try not to rip any of it.
Imagine if you're like working in a factory for the war effort, and your whole sole purpose in life is just packing boxes.
Right. Nice little read, and then
you'd be the most excellent packer possible.
All right, here we go. So, as it said in the front of the box, it's a gauge, and that's pretty evident looking at the outside. So have a look to see what she looks like on the inside. Try to preserve this as much as possible. I think we're looking for the edges here. There you go. Rip her a little bit. That is beautiful. See the nice glass. Nice brass on the bottom.
Wow, that brass isn't oxidized at all.
Not at all. Look at that. Look at that gauge.
So this gauge right here is to test if you put it in the fuel tanks where the actual gas cap would go. This is to tell if you have a pressure, if you pressurize it. It's more for training and hydro testing, but you put it in there to actually see where the pressure's at. It goes up to 600.
Yep, up to 600, and the U.S. Gauge Company out of New York. Made in USA.
Go.
All right, so it looks like we got a pressure bottle, the fuel tank pressure gauge. Right, these were used mostly for testing, like Casey was saying. This one's steel with the brass cap. And then also we pulled another one out for you guys, a later model around like the 80s, to show the comparison. Pretty much almost the exact same thing, made by the same company, just a different face on the dial, except this one is aluminum. This guy is metal, steel.
Well, thanks for watching our latest installment on opening up our service kit, and look forward to seeing the next video. Thanks for watching.